Join me as I take on the challenge of sticking to a budget for a whole month and see just how much I can save using classic budgeting tips. When it comes to managing our finances, we all know how important it is to have a solid budget in place. But let's be real, who doesn't struggle with sticking to it? Today, I want to share with you some classic budgeting tips that have been around for ages, but still pack a serious punch when it comes to saving you thousands of dollars annually. One of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to budgeting is overspending. We all know the feeling. You go to the mall, see something you want, and before you know it, you've swiped your credit card and spent way more than you intended. And then there's the stress that comes with it. Constantly worrying about whether you'll have enough money to pay the bills or feeling guilty about splurging on that latte. It's a vicious cycle, and it's one that many of us struggle with. But the truth is, budgeting doesn't have to be so hard. With a few simple strategies, you can take control of your finances and start building the wealth you deserve. Part of the problem is that we often treat budgeting like a restrictive diet. We try to cut out all the fun stuff and end up feeling deprived and miserable. But that's not what budgeting is about. It's about making conscious choices about how we spend our money and aligning it with our values and goals. When we approach budgeting from this perspective, it becomes much more manageable and even enjoyable. The thing is, budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for someone else may not work for you, and that's okay. The key is to find a system that works for your lifestyle and stick to it. And that's where these classic budgeting tips come in. So let's dive in and explore some of these timeless tips that can help you save thousands of dollars annually. First up, tracking your expenses. This one is a no-brainer, but it's amazing how many people don't do it. By keeping track of every single transaction, you can identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to your spending habits. It's not about depriving yourself, but about being aware of where your money is going and making intentional choices. Another tip is to set realistic goals. So often, we set ourselves up for failure by setting unrealistic targets and then getting discouraged when we can't meet them. But by setting achievable goals, you can build momentum and make progress towards your financial goals. And don't forget to celebrate your wins along the way. It's a great motivator. Using budgeting apps is another game changer. There are so many great tools out there that can help you track your expenses, set budgets, and even automate your savings. And the best part? Many of them are free. By leveraging technology, you can make budgeting a breeze and save yourself a ton of time and stress. But if I'm being completely honest, there's one tip that stands out above the rest. It's the 50/30/20 rule, and it's a total game changer. The idea is simple. 50% of your income goes towards necessities like rent, utilities, and groceries. 30% towards discretionary spending like entertainment and hobbies, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. It's not a hard and fast rule, but more of a guideline to help you allocate your income in a way that sets you up for financial success. The reason I love this tip so much is that it's so flexible. Whether you're just starting out or you're well on your way to financial freedom, this rule can help you make intentional choices about your money. And the best part? It's not about depriving yourself, but about living below your means and building a safety net for the future. So, what's the takeaway? By implementing these classic budgeting tips, you can start saving thousands of dollars annually. It's not rocket science, but it does take discipline and commitment. But trust me, it's worth it. Imagine having a cushion in your bank account, being able to pay off debt, and having the freedom to pursue your passions. In today's video, we covered some timeless budgeting tips that can help you save thousands of dollars annually. From tracking your expenses to using budgeting apps, and of course the 50/30/20 rule, these strategies can help you take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future. Thanks so much for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite budgeting tip? And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on financial management strategies and personal finance tips. Until next time, stay financially savvy.